For a long time, a major shortage of licensed mental health professionals has been hidden under an exemption that allowed counselors, marriage and family therapists to diagnose and prescribe treatments. The exemption is due to end on June 24th, creating a shortage in the mental health systems across the state. Today, lawmakers are pushing for new legislation to streamline the licensing process for professionals to avoid what they see will be a crisis. Christian Garzone live for us now in Rochester with the details on this. Christian.
Well, Adam, both Senator Sam Brook and Assemblyman Harry Bronson said mental health is already a challenge in New York State. Signing this bill will ensure, at least, it does not crater. Young people were also a big part of this discussion today. Assemblyman Harry Bronson says New York has been in a mental health crisis for many years, long before the pandemic.
And then after the pandemic, that need grew exponentially.
Today, alongside Senator Sam Brook, Bronson passed a bill ensuring greater access to mental health services. Young people, a big part of this.
Who are facing the pandemic from a health standpoint. They're facing the pandemic from having been isolated in many situations because they have not been doing in-school learning.
Teachers Union President Adam Urbanski says the pandemic has turned the lives of young people upside down.
It really disrupted their social interactions, their emotional state.
Beyond youth, Senator Brook says it's a crisis impacting everyone.
This is about helping some of the most vulnerable folks who need help.
An exemption is due to hit on June 24th, creating a massive shortage in public mental health systems across the state. Today, Brook and Bronson sponsored and passed a bill to prevent a disruption in care.
The majority of New Yorkers don't have access to that kind of resource.
In sum, the bill will standardize the requirements for licensure of trained mental health professionals to increase access.
And that's who we're helping with this, by bringing thousands and thousands of providers back online to do treatment-based plans and to diagnose people who need it.
And the next step for this legislation is to go to the governor's desk for signing before June 24th. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you.
Christian, thank you. To read more about the bill, you can find this story right now over at rochesterfirst.com.